Ha, summer semester is bad. Apply only for winter semester.
The blocked account will take care of all your needs. You don't have to worry.
Also, avoid going to small cities. You won't find a job there.
If you have been planning to study in Germany, I'm sure you've heard such golden advice from your seniors, your local consultant, or a random guy on YouTube. And while all of this sound convincing on the surface, they can really mess up your expectations once you land in Germany. Because they aren't facts, these are just personal opinions. So in this video, I want to bust 5 common myths that almost every student hears at some point and why following them can cost you your time, money, and your mental peace. Myth number 1. Winter semester is better than summer semester. Yes, winter semester has more courses to offer and the majority of students going to Germany also apply there. But if your course is available during the summer semester, there is absolutely no disadvantage in taking it. Same professors, same curriculum, same degree. Of course, this doesn't apply to all the courses or universities, but in many cases, applying for the summer semester might actually be better for you, especially if you are a bachelor student. Why? Because the German and the Indian academic calendar don't align. By the time you get your results for the first year of college or your 12th board, the deadlines are very close and you might not even get APS on time. So if you feel you are out of time for the winter semester, don't worry. Start preparing for the summer semester. That being said, don't use this time to just chill around while the summer semester applications open up. Use the time wisely. Start learning German, take up a part-time job, or do anything that can strengthen your profile. Myth number 2. The blocked account amount is enough to survive. A lot of students treat the blocked account amount of 11,904 euros as their budget for the entire year and feel it is enough for all their expenses. And then they arrive in Munich. Jokes apart, the blocked account amount is actually more than enough in smaller cities, but not in bigger cities like Munich or Berlin, where the rent is very high. Yes, there are exceptions like student dorms or living outside the city, but unless you are ready for a long waiting period in the student dorms or a really long commute, your monthly expenses will stack up fast. Add health insurance, groceries, eating out, and suddenly you're asking money from your parents every month. So don't treat your blocked account as your only source of funds. No matter where you're living, try to get a working student job, an internship, or even a mini job so that you can manage your expenses and have some savings for emergencies. Additionally, who you open a blocked account with is also very important because you need the blocked account provider to be safe, reliable, and trustworthy. And the one which ticks all these boxes is Expatrio. If you take Expatrio's value package, firstly, you don't pay any blocked account setup fee as you get it as a cashback once you activate your blocked account and health insurance. You also get a 90 euros cashback with TK Flex health insurance. You get free incoming travel insurance worth up to 95 euros, which is mandatory for your visa. You also get a free bank account and a digital debit card for all your needs in Germany. And you also get a free digital Isaac card worth up to 18 euros, which provides a lot of offers and discounts for students. As you can see, with Expatrio's value package, you pay less but get a lot more. So if you're looking to open a blocked account for this winter semester, go to the link in the description or use code BharatAndGermany at checkout. Additionally, the setup fee for the value package for Expatrio is going to increase after August 1st of 2025. So if you're looking to open a blocked account with Expatrio, the right time is now. Myth number 3. You must finish a 2-year course in 2 years. This mindset is built inside us as Indians. We have been told always that if you don't finish your degree in 4 years, you are a failure. But German universities are just flexible and you will be surprised to see how many students actually take a semester break to focus on building their skills, gain real world experience, and just travel and chill. Because honestly, nobody cares if you took 4 years to finish a 2-year degree. What matters at the end of your studies is your skill set, your experience, and how ready you are for the job market. German companies don't hire a candidate just because they finished their degree on time. They prefer students who have used their time well, learned the language, built their portfolio, and gained practical exposure. So don't treat your course like a ticking time bomb. And remember, there are no placements in Germany, even if you finish early. Myth number 4. Don't study in a small city. There are no job opportunities. छोटे शहरों में job नहीं मिलेगी. You will hear this and might actually agree, right? But what most people miss is that many of Germany's best universities are in smaller towns. Think of Ilmenau, Passau, Braunschweig, and many more. These places have lower rent, less crowd, and the same high quality education as bigger cities. And when it comes to jobs, sure, there are less listings as compared to a bigger city, but like I said earlier, you can always take a semester break, move to a bigger city, do your internship or a job, and then return to finish your studies. Plus, these days you tend to do a lot of jobs online. So you might be living in Bremen, but you could take up a remote position in Munich. And at the end of the day, remember, German companies don't hire you on the basis of your city or your university. Myth number 5. You can survive in Germany without knowing German. Honestly, do I even need to explain this? You already know German is important. English might help you through the university or even in your workplace, but what about everything else? Grocery shopping, traveling in the city, bureaucracy, making new friends, and even asking for simple directions. Do you always want to rely on Google Translate or ChatGPT, or are you happy and confident because of your 300-day Duolingo streak? German is a must if you want to build your life in Germany, and if you think it's too hard or it's useless, just pick US, UK, or Australia. And if you still want to come to Germany and not learn German, all the best. And if you're serious about building your life in Germany and want to learn German, we have our own faster German courses which can help you learn German anytime, anywhere. We have levels starting from A1 all the way up to B2, and each level has Goethe exam preparation. It is made with a native German speaker, so you will get all the pronunciations just right. If you want to know more about the courses, just go in the description and you'll find the links. And that's everything I wanted to share about common myths in Germany, which almost every student hears at some point during their process. If you have any doubts related to the process of applying to Germany, just drop a comment below and we'll help you out. And you will also find free resources in the description, including a packing checklist, which is pretty helpful if you're moving to Germany this year. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.